So, a lot of you know I got the Ford F250 a couple months ago. 2015 Ford F250 Lariat 4x4 diesel, blah blah blah. Well, about a month ago I started making a noise, and I called my diesel tech, James, over there at 5 Star, and I was like, hey, can you check this out? And I bought an extended warranty because it's a Ford, and he goes, yeah, you need to bring it in. So I brought it in, and he called and told me today that the turbo impeller has fragments missing off of it. And apparently I'm sending the truck too much, and yeah. So now I get a new turbo and intercooler, but it's definitely not my fault. No, it can never be my fault. Anyway, so I'm driving the Tahoe that can't catch a cold. Anyway, so if you drive a Ford and you have a whining noise and it doesn't go away, and then sometimes it does go away, and then sometimes it just comes back and stays back, check your turbo. Fords. Fuck it.